Today we want to look at how we can convert and store typed credit card numbers into tokens. We get tokens automatically from bookings on our own website when we query customers' credit card details or from OTAs like Booking.com or Expedia. If one of our guests wants to guarantee their reservation with their credit card, then we can record and store those. We do that in our reservation form, which we open by clicking on the button with the suitcase in our menu. We select the required guest reservation and click on the tab Terms. In the middle of the page, we see a field with the question mark button next to it. We click on the button Edit of the reservation and on the button with the question mark. We now are being asked if we want to create a new token. If there's already a token, we are also being asked if we want to check the existing token. But today, we want to create a new one, so we click on the button Create New Token. A window opens in which the payment types approved by our hotel are already stated for selection. We click on the card type that our guest told us. In our case, it is a Visa card. We now enter the credit card details of our guest and confirm with the click on the button Continue. The data will be verified, and if those are correct, a token will be created and automatically entered into the provided field. This way we have safely and PCI compliant stored the credit card details of our guest. To finalize the process, we need to click on the button Save of the reservation.